right, guys, it is time to register for 7th grade. I'm going to walk you through exactly what you need to do to register for your classes. It's pretty easy, but you have a blue card in front of you. There's a white label on your card. I want you to check the label to make sure everything is correct. The ID number is not correct, so what I need you to do is scratch out the number on the label and write your student ID number. Take some time to do that right now. Once you have your ID number written and everything else is correct on the label, we're going to move down to the bottom of the card. And when you take this card home, you're going to have your parent fill in their phone number and email address too as well. All right, so your card looks like this, but it's blue. So down at the bottom on the left side, you'll see your required courses. Your teachers have completed a rubric. They've looked at multiple data points. They've looked at your test scores and how you do in class, your grades, your motivation, all of those things. And they have made a recommendation for you where they think you're going to be most successful. And they have highlighted that. So standard or honors for language arts and math. Now, if you take this card home and your parents disagree with that placement, just have them attach a letter to the card. Do not change the placement on the card, but just attach a letter, and then it will be taken into consideration and changes will be made. You have health and PE that is required again, so that will automatically be scheduled for you. On the right-hand side, we're going to look at your electives. Band and orchestra are year-long electives, and you have to be in them in 6th grade to take it in 7th grade. If you want to continue band or orchestra, you're going to take this card and you're going to get Mr. Arbuthnot or Mr. Lael to sign your card, and you're going to write what instrument you play. Spanish in 7th grade is the start of a high school credit course. So it's Spanish 1, Part 1. And you have to have the yellow form that Miss Brown gave out. You have to have that signed, and you turn that into me, Miss Brown, counselor. I will take that and we will attach it to your card. Remember, this is a course that goes for 2 years. You have to take it in 7th and in 8th grade to get credit for it. So think about that before you register. All right, those are your year-long options. On the far right, you're going to see your semester options. What I need you to do is I need you to pick 3 of them. You're going to put a number 1 beside your top choice, number 2 by your second choice, and number 3 by your third choice. On the back of your card are descriptions of all of these elective classes. So if you're not sure what something is, just flip your card over and there's a description. It'll tell you exactly what the class is. But everyone, even if you chose a year-long course, you're going to rank 3 semester electives, 1, 2, and 3. Remember, elective classes are not guaranteed. We try to give you one of your top choices, but it just depends on how many kids sign up and where we have room. So 1, 2, and 3, that's why you pick 3 of them. You're going to take this card home and you are going to get your parent to sign it. Down here at the bottom, your parent's going to sign it. You're going to date it. Your card is due on Wednesday, March 11th. You're turning your card in to your homeroom teacher. All right, March 11th to your homeroom teacher. If you do not return a card, we will just put you in elective classes that have room, so you will not get to choose your elective classes. Any questions you can ask your homeroom teacher, or you can ask me, and I'm happy to answer or meet with you guys if you have any questions. Again, this card is due on Wednesday. You need to pick your electives, and then you're going to get your parent to sign it. All right, guys, have a great day.